it, Ras, show it.
Life is so cruel without you here beside me. You break my heart. Say you love me again.
I never know without Rising Stars. Alright, Josie. Berlina. Alright, fire. We're not buying a juice. We're not move, so. Yard abroad. You have been watching our videos. You are talking. You've been watching our videos, but you have not created a free shipping account as yet. What are you waiting for? It is free to create, and you can do it in half the time that you take to watch this video. Did you know that you can ship your items to Jamaica straight to your doorstep for like 25% what a FedEx or a DHL will cost you? Go ahead, click the link in the description box below, create your free account today. Do it! We're in the streets.